had to let you know you're. She had me been through, she had me been through.
Hi everyone! Today we will talk about a place called Curug Bambu.
Where is Curug Bambu?
This is Baturaden from the dinosaur and bamboo trees. Yes, Curug Bambu is a beautiful waterfall. And people see there. People can see waterfall, green trees, and many bamboo plants. Wow, that's so nice! What can people do here? And take photo and go to restaurant here. And also, the bright in winter, but they must be careful.
What is special Curug Bambu?
It's natural and peaceful. The trees make it unique and different. What food or culture is there?
They are local food sold by small stores near the area.
Why do you like Curug Bambu? Like it because it is quiet and refreshing.
I like it because of the natural scenery.
I like it because it is perfect for relaxing.
Me too. It is a great place to visit.
Oke, standby, kamera ready, sound ready, 3, 2, 1, action.
Are y'all ready? Keto mania. Keto mania.
I just had to let you know you're.